Hello guys, welcome to another step-by-step guide for changing a PS4 controller L and R rubbers. Yeah, this controller buttons are not working properly and they just stuck inside. Let me quickly add that this is only for the L and R buttons. Okay, here you don't need to remove the battery or the flat, just leave them there and follow what I'm doing. Okay, I'm just cleaning the spot and the keys for a smoother key movement and to increase the lifespan of the rubbers. Okay, for the sake of the quality, I'm just adding a bit of lubricant grease.
Okay.
Adding Okay, I will link a website in the description for testing your controller before closing it. The sound is satisfying. Thank you for watching until the end and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.